Hey guys, I'm back with another unboxing. This time we got Mega Space Molly. This one is going to be Series 2. And I don't know which of it's A or B. These are the options. I don't have any of Series 2, so I'd be happy with any of them. So let's see what we got. I do have one of the Series 4, I think. Maybe it's Series 3. Let's see which Molly we have. Oh. Look at her. This one is Jean-Michel Basquiat. Sorry, I butchered that one. And we've got her little space camera. Number 2 is going to be so pretty. Look at her. She's clear. Like a blue. Like an ice blue. Glacier. She is so cute. And these are our 2 Mollies from Series 2. Do you guys love Mega Space Molly? I'm really starting to like her. These are mine, number 2 and 3. I've already have just one, but I have some more on the way. Make sure you guys give me a follow. Leave me some comments below. Tell me which one is your favorite Space Molly. If you've got any pictures, share them as well. Give me a follow. Thanks for watching.